Hi all, welcome to Shilpa's Math classes. Today we are going to discuss about solving one-step equations with decimals. We can begin with a simple example. X plus 1.2 is equal to 5.8. So solving this equation means we have to find the value of x. So how can we find the value of x? We have to bring this 1.2 from left side to right side. So x is equal to 5.8 minus 1.2. Addition operation on the left hand side becomes subtraction operation on the right hand side. So 5.8 minus 1.2, 8 minus 2, 6, 5 minus 1, 4. So the answer is 4.6. X is equal to 4.6. Another example, if y plus 12.8 is equal to 55.9. Okay, so how can we find y? Y is equal to, bring this 12.8 from left side to right side. So 55.9 minus 12.8. So 55.9 minus 12.8. 9 minus 8, 1. 5 minus 2, 3. 5 minus 1, 4. So the answer is 43.1. Okay, so in these two questions, we could see that the operation on the left hand side was addition. When it comes to the other side, it becomes subtraction. Okay, next we can check a question where the operation on the left hand side is subtraction. For example, g minus 3.6 is equal to 4.2. So here it is subtraction. We have to find the value of g, so that we have to bring this thing to the right side. So this becomes 4.2 plus 3.6. Subtraction operation on the left hand side becomes addition operation on the right hand side. So 4.2 plus 3.6, 2 plus 6, 8, 4 plus 3, 7. So the answer is 7.8. Okay, we'll show another example. K minus 10.28 is equal to 35.65. Okay, so how can we find K? K is equal to, bring this thing to the right side. So 35.65 plus 10.28. Subtraction on the left side becomes addition on the right side. So 35.65 plus 10.28. 8 plus 5, 13. 1. 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1, 9. Decimal. 5 plus 0, 5. 3 plus 1, 4. So the answer is K is equal to 45.93. Okay. If you have any confusion about the decimal addition, subtraction, multiplication or division, I will provide those videos links in the comment section. You can watch that. Then next, if something multiplied by a variable is equal to a decimal. For example, 4 times x is equal to 12.8. How will you find x? X is equal to 12.8 divided by 4. How will you find 12.8 divided by 4? 12.8 divided by 4. 4 into 3, 12. 0, decimal point, bring down 8. 4 times 2, 8. So the answer is 3.2. X is equal to 3.2. I'll show another example. Uh, for example, 0.2 times y is equal to 36. How will you do this? Y is equal to multiplication on the left hand side becomes a division on the right hand side. They are opposite operations, multiplication and division are opposite operations. So 36 divided by zero point 0.2. So how can you change 36 divided by 0.2? It's better to make this a whole number. So times 10 times 10. So the question changes to 360 divided by 2, that is equal to 180. So the answer is 180. Okay, I'll show one more example. Suppose the question is point 5 g is equal to 100. 0.5 g is equal to 100. Then g is equal to 100 divided by 0.5. So 100 divided by 0.5. So times 10. By times 10, we have to make this a whole number. So the question changes to 1000 divided by 5. So 5 into 2, 10, 200. So the answer is g is equal to 200. Okay. There is only one more case when the operation on the left hand side is division. For example, x divided by zero point 0.2 is equal to 8. So here the operation on the left hand side is division. So x is equal to 8 times 0.2. 8 times 0.2. How will you do 8 times 0.2? Just multiply them like as if they're normal numbers. 8 times 2 is 16. Then you have to put the decimal point here. Why? In the question you have one digit on the right side of decimal point. So your answer will also have one digit on the right side of decimal point. Okay, we'll show another example. Y divided by 0.4 is equal to 7. So here it is division. So on the right side it becomes multiplication. So y is equal to 7 times 0.4, that is equal to 2.8. Y 7 times 4 is 28. In the question you have only one digit on the right side of decimal point. So your answer will also have one digit on the right side of decimal point. So the answer is 2.8. We'll show one more example. If g divided by um, 0.3 is equal to 1.2. Okay, so how will you find g? G is equal to 1.2 times 0.3. So first multiply the numbers. If there were no decimals, 12 times 3 is equal to 36. Then in the question you can see two digits on the right side of decimal points. So your answer will also have two digits on the right side of decimal point. So you should put decimal here before 3 and 6. That is 0.36. Okay. So this is the last part of solving one-step equations. In the next class, we can discuss two-step and multi-step equations. And if you have any confusion about decimal operation, decimal addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, I will provide the link in the comment section. You can watch that. I hope the lesson is clear. See you in the next class. Bye.